Hey, what's up everybody? Happy Saturday. So I'm gonna take y'all on a quick clean with me video because my apartment is not it right now. Ever since I got back from LA, I said I was gonna clean it up, and then it ended up not happening. So I have my baggage still out, my bed still low-key not made. But my design, it keeps falling. So that keeps falling. So let's get this part of the room fixed first. So I had a bad habit of I had a nightstand right there. But I moved it, or a table, bedside table, but I moved it out here just so I keep I know it's a mess, but just so I keep the symmetrical theme going. But I don't know if I like that. I feel like I need to bring one in and then set everything back up again. So we'll play with it. Actually, I just had a really smart idea. Is it smart? Am I smart? Of course I am. Don't ever talk down on yourself. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got, if I can find the box. Alright, so I got this thing. I think I'm gonna set it up. Oh, see, it lights up. It's pretty cool, huh? Hold up. Oh, you can't see you can't see how it lights up. Y'all can't tell, I like bouncing around when I'm cleaning because, I don't know, maybe that's why I never get stuff done when I'm cleaning my apartment, because I tend to go from one spot to another. And I probably shouldn't, let's fix this, be doing that, because I only get everything half cleaned, right? So maybe keeping the fan there because that AC is super weak, but the AC in the living room is amazing. What else do I have to pick up? All right, so make sure I pick everything up. And I never needed one of these before until I moved here. It's an air humidifier, like a big one, not like those cute ones that you use for incense or for oils, for oil diffusing. Because over the summer and over the spring, I would wake up and everything was dry. So sometimes I need it. Not all the time though. So, I got these off of Amazon because they're fake, like me, and I like them, but I don't because they're fake, but I also like them. So I was thinking we're going to do a dichotomy of aesthetics inside my apartment where my room will be kind of more calming and more gentle and with greenery, whatever, and then outside would be kind of like my for the lack of a better word, man cave, whatever, and that side would be kind of more of my technology, school stuff, whatever. We'll see how this goes, because honestly, I've been in this apartment for 3 months now, and at first I was like, I'm not gonna design it, I don't feel like, 3 months? January, February, March, April, May, June. 4 months. January, February, March, April, May, June. No, 4. Yeah, 4 months. Almost 5 months. And I was like, I'm not going to design it. I'm only going to be there for 24 months. and my lease is 15 months, but I'm only supposed to be here for like 24 because I'm, my program ends next August, and I was like, I don't want to like take all that energy and effort to do things to make it look pretty. And then I decided this is too depressing. So not having a space to actually make everything look nice, or not having like an actual nice looking space, was really sad. So we'll put these up. And these will take a little bit of time, so time lapse, here we go. And we're done. So, kind of like it, kind of don't, kind of do. But, I think I need like 1 or 2 more on this side. But I'm not about to buy another set off of Amazon because it was a lot. A lot of these, not a lot of money. It was like $5, $10. But yeah, look at that. And I wanted that little corner to be more of like a falling whatever. I don't know what I was going for. I'm new to like trying to make things look nice because normally I would just not care. But I think I'm reaching that age where if people come into my apartment, they probably shouldn't be thinking, oh, this dude is like inept and incompetent with like life. So yeah, so I have that done. Now I'm still debating if I do need a side table right here. I'm gonna get one of the side tables outside and put it in there because the imbalance is getting to me, and I need something because I sleep on this side of the bed, so I need something to put things on. All right, so that's fine. I might get a different one because it doesn't match the other side. All right, so the room is basically done. Put some stuff away off cam. Now I'm doing dishes. Now I'm just taking a short break after putting up all of those stuff in the room, and then I cleaned up that part a little bit. There's still some stuff to be put away, and then I'll show you guys what I am going to go into that area. One thing that I'm having trouble with is putting away like smaller knickknacks because I don't know how to like organize those things. So like this hallway closet has been a mess ever since I moved in because it's just kind of just where everything lands. Right here is kind of like where all of the knickknacks goes in, and then in my room here, and this is like another hallway closet. I think this is called the entryway closet, and this is the hallway closet. The hallway closet has like, you'll see. So I'm gonna go with a time lapse on organizing this now. Alright, I think this is the best that I can do with this, which is electronics, miscellaneous, whatever, like face creams, extra medicine and whatnot, and then my pre-workout and recovery, and my mask because it's easy to grab, miscellaneous and then bags, and then other stuff, and then my shoes down there. So I still have some stuff that I need to like put away, but they're not meant to be in there. So I'm gonna move them out. All right, the next room. All right, so the next room will be this room right here. this closet, this hallway closet, and better prepare, y'all. Better prepare. It's let me actually show y'all. This is where things go to hide. These are kind of like stuff that I don't know where to put. More stuff I don't know where to put. Today we're gonna find places where to put those things. Alright y'all, so remember what I showed you earlier? It's like midnight now. I get these bouts of like energy to clean up and then get really tired and then not do anything for like 3-4 hours. So let me show y'all what I accomplished. So I don't know if you guys remember everything that was there. I essentially took it out, put some stuff where they needed to be, and then I still need to organize that because this will be like the laundry area corner. And I need to get like a bigger laundry hamper for these, for that. And if you're wondering where the things in the boxes went, I still need to organize those, and I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and they're right here. So essentially I just put everything in one box, one big box, and then from my Manscaped, just balls, save balls. And so tomorrow, or maybe I should do it right now, I'm trying to figure out where to put them, and where to store them. Good morning. So it is morning time, and we finally finished the closet that I said I was gonna finish yesterday. So I'll show y'all. So it's a bit more organized in my head. There's some form of organization going on here, I swear. This is the table that I used to use as a dining table, but it's a foldable table. It's like those ones with the cushion. Very bachelor pad kind of, and I was like not about that. So we put this away, we'll use it for when I'm studying, whatever. And then I'm not about to buy another box so that can fit before I wash it. So that's just gonna go in there. So yeah, yay! So the before and after, I mean, it's still kind of, it definitely looks like a hallway closet, you know? It's like, it's definitely a mess, but it's better than what it was before.